Today we're talking about one of the biggest updates in the AI world right now. Google has officially launched the Gemini app for Mac, and this changes how you can use AI on your computer forever. Instead of opening your browser every time you want to use AI, you can now access Gemini directly from your desktop in seconds. With a simple shortcut, you can instantly open Gemini anytime while working without switching between apps. One of the most powerful features is screen sharing, which allows Gemini to understand exactly what you are looking at and give you smarter and more accurate answers based on your content. Mac rumors. You can also upload files, ask questions about documents, and even get help with coding, writing, or studying all in one place. Another amazing feature is content creation, where you can generate images, videos, and even creative ideas directly from the app. This makes Gemini not just a chatbot but a full productivity tool that helps you work faster and smarter. The app is designed to stay in your workflow so you don't lose focus while working on your tasks. It also connects with Google services, which makes it even more powerful when it comes to personalization and smart suggestions. The best part is that the app is free to download, although there are paid plans if you want more advanced features and higher usage. However, your experience will depend on how you use it and how well it fits into your daily workflow. Overall, Gemini for Mac is a big step toward turning AI into a real personal assistant on your desktop. If you use a Mac and want to boost your productivity, this is definitely something you should try.